Ever wonder why we say bless you when someone sneezes? Spoiler alert, it involves plagues and a pope. Back in 590 AD, a deadly plague swept through Europe. Pope Gregory I ordered people to say God bless you every time someone sneezed, because sneezing was believed to be an early sign of the plague. And, well, they were hoping a blessing might help save a life. But it goes deeper. Some ancient cultures believed sneezing could expel your soul, or worse, let evil spirits in. So saying bless you was like spiritual first aid, and yeah, today it's just polite. But now you know it's got centuries of creepy history behind it. So next time someone sneezes, you're not just being nice, you're honoring a medieval survival hack. Do you know that? Let me know in the comments, and follow for more bite-sized history facts.